Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Today we'll be cooking beans. Let's get right into the lab. For this process we'll be needing some fresh black beans accompanied by some fresh tomatoes. Our next most important ingredient will be onions with some fresh leeks and crayfish. Over here I have stock, salt, limestone pepper and ginger cubes. As you can see, my ginger is all cubed up because I use this to make tea. I'll make a tutorial video to show you guys how to make homemade ginger tea. In a blender cup we'll be adding some chopped onions and pepper. We'll blend this up together and save aside for future use in this process. In a pot of water, I'll be adding my fresh beans, give it a little stir, adding some salt and cover and allow to simmer for about 20 minutes. Then I'll come in with my limestone. I'll make sure this dissolves because you don't want it to sit on one position, because you just make the beans on that location just overcooked. So make sure you stir, cover and allow to simmer. In the frying pan I'll be adding some crayfish. I just want my crayfish to be crispy, and I'll be putting it in my mortar, which I'll be pounding. I won't be pounding it to dust, so I'll just give it a light pounding. Over here in a pot of oil, I'll be adding in our chopped fresh tomatoes. I will give this a good stir because the oil is really hot, so this is a good time to give it a good stir. And I always make sure I always press my tomatoes because I want it to get ready sharp. So let me know if you do this, or I'm the only one who does this to speed up the process. This also permits the tomato to release some juice, which we will use in the process of cooking. I'll be bringing in my leeks, onions, and give this a good stir. I'm going to stir this up and allow it to sit for about 2 minutes. Then we bring in our juice. I added my ginger cubes in there so it could dissolve faster. I will stir this and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. I'll be bringing in my basil. At this point in time I couldn't lay my hands on fresh ones, so we'll just deal with this one. As you can see, my beans is not overcooked, it's not cooked all the way because I want it to simmer into this seasoning. Then I'll bring in my crayfish and sprinkle all over. Be adding in some stock and more stock. Give it a good stir. I added in some more salt because it wasn't tasty, and I realized I didn't put in some salt earlier. So we'll give this a good stir. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you eat this with. You can have these beans all by itself, you can have it with rice, you can have it with fried plantains, you can have it with boiled plantains, cassava, you can really have it with bread. For my 237 people, you know what's up. So let me know in the comment section where you're watching from and how you cook your own beans. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.